Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, this is another packing video. In my last video, if you haven't seen it, it was a pack with me personal item only. This time it's going to be a personal item as well as a carry-on. I am going on an 18-day trip to Japan. 21 days if you want to include the flight time. And I know that the airline, they allow us to check in 2 luggages. They're literally telling me to shop. And so yeah, I'm gonna shop. So my plan is I am going to bring an empty luggage. That way I can shop and store all my things in. So I want to have a carry-on with me that I can bring on the plane because I want to store things that I purchased from Japan that are either valuable, delicate, or just mean a lot to me, and I want to have it safe. So just to have it in a luggage that's going to be with me on the plane, that's going to give me some peace of mind. So with that, there's going to be a lot of exciting new videos coming to my channel, my stories as well as posts about Japan as well as all the food I'm going to be eating. If you want to follow me on my Instagram to see, I'll just put my handle right here, and so it'll be like you're with me while I'm on my Japan trip. It is currently Wednesday and I leave on a Sunday. I usually pack pretty early just because I know I get anxious and stressed. Okay, to start things off, I have my carry-on luggage right here. It's just a regular standard size carry-on luggage. The brand is Penguin. I don't remember where I got this. I think I got this from Winners. And then for my personal item, I have my Lululemon backpack. And this is the same backpack that I used in my other video for my pack with me personal item. I'll link that video as well. Honestly, I don't know the name of this. I'm so sorry. I got this as a gift a while ago, so I'm not sure. I tried looking through archives and I couldn't find it. But any personal bag that you have will do, just as long as the measurements are within the airline rules. And so in terms of packing the clothing items, I did purchase compression packing cubes that I'm going to put my clothes in. And I got them from Amazon, so I will link it in the description of the ones that I got. So hopefully that will help. This is going to be my first time using compression cubes, so fingers crossed. So in terms of the clothes, I read that it's good to have a lot of neutral colors, but I don't have a lot of neutral colors. So I chose 4 colors that I'm going to stick with. And those are going to be black, pink, gray, and white. Also with the clothing items that I chose these clothing items specifically to try to help hide any like bloating or food babies, because I am going to be eating. I am going to be eating so much on this trip. So to help with that, I bought these boy shorts. They go high up to the tummy, and hopefully this will compress any bloating or food baby that I'm going to have during the trip. First, for dresses, I am packing 3 dresses. First one is this red floral dress. This is from Only. I got this when I was in Amsterdam actually. And the material is very thin, so I believe the temperature in Japan is going to be in the upper 20s. So definitely going to need something that's going to be very fitting to the season. Next, I have this Max Studio dress, and this is a very long dress. This goes down to around the ankle. And it's also another wrap dress. I don't know why I am bringing 2 wrap dresses. I actually don't really like wrap dresses, but I wanted to bring some floral dresses, and these are the 2 that are my favorite at the moment. The next dress that I'm bringing is not a wrap dress. It is a regular dress. This goes down to the knees and it is from Evernew. I don't know what this material is, but it's like kind of shiny. I think it's very flattering, and it's a bit heavy, so it's definitely not a lightweight dress. So we'll see how this goes. Next, for tops, I'm going to be bringing this blue top from Cider. It is a crop top. It is sleeveless as well. At the front, you can tie it here and kind of make a bow or a knot, whatever style that you want with it. Next, I have a t-shirt, and this is just a regular Adidas crop t-shirt. I like this. This is just going to be for like casual days. The next top is this gray top that I got from Urban Planet, and it does have padding built into it, and I really like these kind of tops. I don't know, I guess I'm like getting lazy, or like I don't like wearing bras anymore. So if a top has built-in padding, I will probably buy it. And I have another one from the same store. it's in white, so just to have a bit of variety with the colors. Next, I have this top, and this is from Zella. It also has the padding as well inside. Next, I'm bringing 3 skirts. This is more of a skirt. Sorry, you can probably see a lot of like cat hair, but this skirt is from Old Navy. I think black will be good because it will match a lot of different things and it will hide any food baby, bloating. I'll probably be wearing this one a lot. Next one I have is a pink one, and this is also from Old Navy. This is also a skirt. This skirt means a lot to me. This is a skirt that my mom made in her early 20s. She sewed this herself and she gave this to me, so now I am wearing it, and this skirt is probably my most treasured item that I have in my life. I wore this skirt to Europe and I took pictures of this in Paris with the Eiffel Tower, so now I'm gonna bring it to Japan and take some more pictures with it. Next, for pants, I'm not bringing a whole lot. I'm just gonna bring 2 pairs. I'm bringing these black pants. These are like stretchy. At the bottom it's cuffed. This is from Dynamite. Next, I'm gonna bring these trouser pants, and I got these from Primark. I got this in Amsterdam, and it's just simple, wide leg, very flowy. For sweaters that I'm going to be bringing, I'm still debating on which sweaters to bring. I do have this cardigan. This is from Le Chateau. Just the thing is, I don't know if it matches with everything, like especially the dresses. Like, it's not going to match with the blue dress. Or I'm thinking of bringing this sweater. This is from Mango. I was thinking this would look nice just to wear over top of like anything like the tank tops with the skirts. I think that will look pretty cute. For the flight, I'm thinking I'm going to be wearing my Lululemon leggings paired with one of the tank tops, and then have this sweater over just for some comfort, to be cozy. And this can also be worn with the different outfits as well. For shoes, I'm going to be bringing 2 pairs. First one are these white sneakers. I think just having white sneakers just matches with anything very easily. Next, I'm thinking these flats, and these will go nicely with like the dresses that I have. Just very simple. These flats offer no support, so I am probably only going to wear them if we're going to go to like a nice dinner with a dress on. Something that's close to like the hotel, so I don't have to walk too far in them. For bags, I'm thinking I'm going to bring this Kate Spade backpack. Okay, so if you watched my last pack with me video, I had my toiletries in this. So basically I'm going to be bringing the same things, but I'll also be adding this here. This is from The Ordinary. This is the I can't say this. So I'm going to be bringing this salicylic acid mask. I tend to break out a lot when I eat a lot of sugar, and I'm going to be eating a lot of sugar in Japan. So this is going to help with all the pimple outbreaks that I'm going to get. So I have my face wash in here. I have my glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA. This is for the pores. And this is the Origins Mushroom Lotion. I put it in this Ordinary bottle. The bottle is like this. And it's very liquidy. It's like not thick at all. So it comes out like water. So I find just having it in this little dropper thing is much easier to handle. So you're probably wondering, what about shampoo and conditioner? I am not going to bring any shampoo and conditioner. So shampoo, conditioner, body wash, I'm going to buy those things there just because I don't want to have that added weight. And I actually did this when I went to Europe twice. I actually really liked it. I liked trying different shampoos that they had there. This is if you don't have any like specific hair type that you need like your shampoo. So if you can, try their different shampoos and conditioners in the different countries that you go to. You never know, you might find something amazing. So for the makeup, I'm basically just gonna keep it simple. I'm probably just gonna do like this look every day when I'm in Japan. I have my Kiss lashes that I'm gonna be packing. I'm gonna be packing my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the 118. I'm gonna be packing my Supergoop sunscreen. This is the Unseen sunscreen. Some Duo eyelash glue. I'm going to be bringing these 2 lip glosses. This is from Florence. This is my favorite one right now. This is in Mystic Mills. This lip plumper from Milani. MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. Of course, my favorite eyeliner. This is CoverGirl, and this is in the 325 liquid vinyl. For the eyebrows, I'm going to be bringing this Dip Brow Pomade. This is in soft brown. And I'm going to be packing my loose powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in number 10. This is Fair Light. Oh my god, I came to my closet and I got scared because I forgot Chicken was here. Look at this little baby hiding in my sock drawer. You having a good nap? So unfortunately, when I'm in Japan, I'm going to be getting my monthly visitor. So I am going to have to pack some of those things. I don't even know how much to pack. Probably gonna like overpack on this just because I want to be safe. So this is probably an overload, but it's better to be safe. Next, for tech things, I'm going to be packing some extra batteries for my camera. I'm going to be packing this extra power bank. I have my headphones. This is with like the actual, I don't know what this is called, but that end so that I can watch movies on the plane. I have my regular Bose headphones. I have my phone charger, extra SD card. I have the mics for the camera. I don't know if I'm going to bring this whole thing because it's pretty bulky. And I have this reader. This you can plug into your phone and then put an SD card under here and transfer your pictures from your phone onto the SD card so that you don't have to worry about running out of space. And next, I'm still debating on what to bring in terms of tripods. Like, I don't know if I should bring like this tiny thing or if I should bring this big thing. I can fit this into my backpack if I take this top piece off. It does come apart, but I'm just worried about the weight. So at least I still have a few days to decide about this. Okay, next, for all my girlies who have low iron, I'm going to be packing my iron pills, but I don't think I'm going to bring the whole bottle. Make sure that you double check with the airline that you're traveling on if you have to have it in the product bottle or if you can put it in something else like a small container. And for all my girlies who have stomach issues like me, I'm going to be bringing my digestive enzymes. I'll link this in the bottom as well. I really find that these help. And then I'm also going to be bringing Clear Lax. Because I don't know about you, for some reason when I travel, I struggle to go. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's from just being in a whole different environment or just like eating all these different foods. Because I don't normally eat a lot. So I feel like when I do eat a lot, my stomach is just kind of like, it doesn't know what to do. So I need some help. So I'm going to bring this. So it's the next day now and I realized that I forgot to pack raincoats. So I'm going to be bringing this red one that I have. It's just very thin, lightweight, and it's from HFX. Sorry, I didn't realize my mic died. But look at these packing cubes. They're so good. I'm so amazed by them. I think they are totally worth it. If you travel a lot, definitely invest in these. Everything else will fit into my backpack. I definitely can't fit my shoes in here. I'm putting my electronics in this Body Shop bag just to keep things organized, just so things don't get tangled. If you have watched my previous pack with me video, you'll see this is very similar to the last one, except for some additional new things. So that's everything that I'm going to be bringing to this trip to Japan. I hope you enjoyed this video. So the next time that you see me will be a Japan video. If you want to see those, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.